Reba's Reading Treasures. It's Reba to the rescue. Come on along and read this sensational story with me. The title, Farming in Autumn. Autumn is here. Cousin Kyrie and I are helping Farmer Jacob plant, harvest, and pick fresh fruits and vegetables. Hello, Farmer Jacob. We are also helping Farmer Jacob ship his fantastic fruits and vegetables to local stores and markets. Look at these fantastic pumpkins. When many people think of autumn, they think of pumpkins. Farmer Jacob has fantastic pumpkins ready to be picked. The pumpkins have also been loaded on the trucks. They are headed to local markets. Here on the farm, Kyrie and I are picking delicious red and green apples. Farmer Jacob is working on his laptop. He is taking time to fill orders and requests of the local markets. His produce is in high demand. These greens have been picked and they are ready to be shipped. These peas are fresh and happy to head to the market. An autumn rain is falling on the radishes. Farmer Jacob is concerned. The corn has not received enough rain. Kyrie and I have checked the weather report on our laptops. Rain is on the way. The corn is now receiving the rain it needs. Farmer Jacob, Kyrie, and I are ready for a healthy lunch. We are eating everything that we grew and harvested. Cheers for fresh food, beautiful crops, and an awesome autumn!